One of the biggest mistakes I see women make every day when they're trying to lose weight is eating meals that aren't balanced. Struggling to figure out what to eat to lose weight without experiencing energy dips and feeling hungry all the time? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build balanced, satisfying meals so that you can lose the weight without feeling deprived. And if you drop the word power below, I'll send you my simple formula to create meals that'll keep you full and actually help you lose weight. If I've not met you yet, my name is TJ Hudspeth, and I'm a successful weight loss story myself. I lost over 100 pounds years ago and have successfully kept it off for decades. And now I help hundreds of men and women do the same thing. I want to explain to you why you keep feeling hungry and eating those extra calories, even though you're wanting to cut your calories, and what to do about it. One of the biggest mistakes I see women make every day when they're trying to lose weight is eating meals that aren't balanced. They think they're eating healthy, but an hour later, they're standing in front of the refrigerator, starving and frustrated. Sound familiar? Here's why this is happening. Your body is begging for balance. Let me walk you through this. Every time you eat something, your body is looking for three things: protein, fiber, and healthy fat. When one of these things is missing, your blood sugar spikes, your hunger hormones go haywire, and before you know it, you're reaching for a snack, beating yourself up all the while because you just don't have willpower. Let me walk you through a real life example. Say you grab a salad for lunch. Lettuce, tomato, cucumbers. Sounds healthy, right? But guess what? That salad is missing key nutrients. There's no protein, no healthy fat, and barely any fiber. So yes, you're going to be hungry again in no time. Now let's fix it. Imagine that same salad, but this time you add grilled chicken for protein, avocado for healthy fat, and some quinoa for fiber and slow digesting carbs. Boom! That meal is going to keep you full, energized, and satisfied for hours. And it's not just about salads. Let's talk breakfast. A lot of women trying to lose weight will have a bowl of fruit, maybe some oatmeal, but if you don't have enough protein and fat in there, you're setting yourself up for blood sugar crashes before 10 a.m. Instead, try adding some low-fat Greek yogurt for protein, some chia seeds for fiber, and maybe a drizzle of almond butter for a healthy fat. See the difference? Balanced meals don't only keep you full, they keep your metabolism at work for you instead of against you. Once you start putting your meals together like this, you're gonna notice a huge difference. No more feeling deprived, no more crazy cravings, no more energy crashes, no more blaming yourself for not having enough willpower or motivation. You'll actually enjoy what you're eating, and the weight will start coming off naturally. So, like I said, if you want my simple way to build balanced meals that keep you full and help you lose the weight, just drop the word power below and I'll send it to you.